In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DeepSeek API in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to OpenRouter AI. This is your starting point for accessing the DeepSeek API. Once you're on the OpenRouter AI website, the next step is to search for DeepSeek. You'll typically find a search bar on the homepage. Just type DeepSeek right in there and press enter. This will bring you to a list of relevant results. Among these, you'll want to specifically click on the option labeled DeepSeek R1 Free. This is the version we'll be working with today. Clicking this link will take you to the web page dedicated to DeepSeek, where you can find additional details and tools to get started. Next, locate the Quick Start button and give that a click. This option is usually prominently displayed and is your gateway to accessing and integrating DeepSeek into your projects. After clicking Quick Start, you'll need to create your API key. This is an essential step because your API key is what you'll use to authenticate and access the DeepSeek services. Click on the Create API Key button to initiate this process. You'll be directed to a new page where you'll click on Create API Key once more. It may seem repetitive, but this confirms your intention to create a new key and helps you keep track of multiple keys if you have them. Now, you'll have the opportunity to name your API key. While it's not a necessity to fill in all the fields, naming your key can help you manage it effectively later. For those who need an all-encompassing key without restrictions, leaving other fields blank grants you an unlimited key. Once everything is in place, hit the Create button. At this moment, OpenRouter will generate a unique API key for you. It's crucial to copy this key immediately and store it securely. Consider using a password manager or another secure method of storage, as this key is your lifeline to using the API and must be protected. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up your access to the DeepSeek API. You're now ready to explore its capabilities and start integrating it into your applications or services. Thanks for watching and happy coding.